So guys, welcome back to our
Take two.
channel. Samosa, प्याज और चटनी. So today's topic is dating life and dating advices. So
Online dating advice.
yes, online dating advices, guys. We are done with this. So now you know what we can tell you guys about dating apps. So let's start about dating apps.
First thing is you can't find love online. So whoever is spreading the rumor that प्यार ढूंढने से मिल जाता है, नहीं bro, यूनिवर्स भेज देगा, ठीक है? You don't have to find it. So dating apps I don't think is a good idea, and that is just for free sex.
Agreed.
You were saying something.
What I was trying to say is,
खुला हो. खुला हो.
what I am trying to say is, dating apps में तुम्हारे को तुम्हारे जन्मों जन्मों का 7 जन्मों का प्यार नहीं मिलने वाला बहन.
7 दिन तक का मिल जाए तो भी बड़ी बात है. So
हाँ.
yeah.
और
take a note on that.
अगर वो 7 दिन का मिल भी रहा है ना, तो वो फेस सिर्फ तेरे को लव बॉम्बिंग करने के लिए, तेरे को अटैचमेंट देने के लिए है. उसके बाद ये भी लाइक तू कौन मैं कौन, टाटा बाय बाय.
It's
That's
just a
it.
big sex.
Like that is what they do all the time.
What are your thoughts?
I agree guys. Like you will not. मेरे को भी ऐसा लगता था. My man was like भाई कोई तो मिलेगा, कोई तो मिलेगा. I tried million of times. Like मैं गई हूँ on and off. Couldn't find
See
anyone.
guys,
Got scammed.
Yeah. See guys, what I tell you is, I know people who have their love life like it is so all
Fairy tale.
flowers and everything and fairy tales from online dating apps. But 99% of the time it is like तुम्हारा ही कटने वाला है. So I am gonna advise you to not go on those apps. You will get it when the time comes.
I mean you can go for an experience, but don't expect that you will find the love of your life. To be honest, don't expect that much. It is just a fucking dating app. It is just a dating app.
And if a person says that person wants a long-term relationship, serious relationship, that just
Out,
means a long-term
out.
sex, doesn't mean he wants actual relationship. Nobody's there on online dating app for like long-term relationships.
Yeah.
If they are serious about it, they won't go there. Take a note.
I agree.
See, as much as I've seen, she is very correct about that. As I said, people are gonna love bomb you for a while, and then they'll be like, "Tu kaun, main kaun?" And if they say, "Oh, I want to get married to the woman. I'm such an old school person.
One
I
man,
like hold
one
on.
woman man.
Yeah, I'm a one woman man.
No,
I'm
bro.
such an old school person." Bro, उसकी लिस्ट में ना उस ऐप की इतनी लड़कियां होंगी और वो सबको एक ही लाइन बोल चुका है, तो तू हूर की पड़ी नहीं है बहन. Like you are, but not for him. He's just gonna treat you like another mistress. Why go for that? Baby, love yourself. No man is gonna be there for you. No one is fucking gonna be there for you. You are gonna be there for yourself. That's what I was.
The only thing that I got from dating apps is trauma.
Free trauma.
And also I think if you want to get like if तुमको casual रहना है, if you wanna like just go for sex or like cuddles, I think you can go because you can get free cuddles, free sex, but don't expect too much.
If you have
Even for
attachment
that,
issues,
even for
don't go
that,
there.
Even for that, I would say, please use protection. Don't be like other people.
Well,
Not us.
Not
any
us.
of us. No.
so guys, I just want you all to be, and also you might feel like that तुम 2-3 डेट के बाद गए हो and you might feel like, oh my god, this person is close to me. Like,
God.
trust me, you don't know them that well. You don't know them.
Honey, hear me out. Even if you go for a dating app, even if you go to get to know a person, at least the time.
Take your time.
Take your time. Obviously, take your time. Get to know them and everything. But set a period of time. Like till this time, I will be giving him time and all my time and efforts. If I'm not getting it back, I'm not going to be go there for like you don't even get
Set
what
your
you
boundaries.
Yeah, set your boundaries, and you're not even getting half of what you're giving. So why are you even going for there for like what the fuck are you going there for?
I mean, I get it that it can be lonely sometimes.
Yeah.
And why, if you are suffering through loneliness and you don't have attachment issues, then dating app can be good for you if you have physical needs. Is all what I can say.
Yeah,
It's
all you
just
can
for
get there
physical
is
needs.
yeah, exactly. You can only get
If
there
you are
physical
emotional,
needs.
sensitive person, man, women, anyone, it's not for you.
Yeah, it is gonna leave you traumatized. I'm so sorry. This is my experience.
Mine too.
To be very honest, this is the harsh reality of dating apps. If I can be very unfiltered with you.
हम सब unfiltered content डालते हैं and
Yeah, I wish I could cuss, but I'm trying to, you know, get rid of that. so
Because our
yeah,
families are on the platform, guys. But also, I feel like हमारी small city है still like a lot of shit is happening, which is like I think I don't know. Like even we live in a small city, like these things happen. So like if you live in a big city, तो तुम छोड़ ही दो भाई. नहीं
big
होने
cities
वाला
have big
तुम्हारे
traumas.
तुम रहने ही दो भाई. नहीं होगा तुमसे. तुम प्यार तो मिलने ही नहीं वाला भाई.
as much as I've seen here, like I'm an outsider, I'm not of this place, but what I have seen through, like everything throughout the year, what I've seen is what there is, it is sex culture.
Everywhere
in
is
this
a
place.
sex culture, I guess.
Yes, but here I've seen it is absolutely sex culture, and people are only gonna use you and throw you. So baby, don't
You're
be a
just
use
a
and throw
tissue,
material.
baby.
Baby, you can't be a use and throw material or tissue paper. Go for someone who's gonna use you again. I mean, not use you. Okay, sorry. I will.
Okay, please.
Take care of.
Okay, yeah, take care of you. Like treat you like a embroidered handkerchief. Okay, not like a tissue paper, hath pocha and like
Throw it
Throw
away.
it out.
yeah.
You are embroidered tissue which cost a
Tissue,
million,
nahi.
or a
Handkerchief.
which cost a billion of dollars, which cannot be thrown away.
Designer piece.
Exactly.
Right, designer.
First of all, you are not an object. I am so sorry if it.
We are not objectifying anyone or
Yeah.
We
anything.
don't
This is just-
objectify anyone. What we are trying to give you
It's
is
just an
examples.
example.
So please don't do this.
हम तो अप्पर वाली वीडियो पे ऑलरेडी आ गए भाई. Anyways, guys, this is it, I guess.
Yeah, so thanks for
Please.
watching
Thanks
us.
for watching, and
Yes.
all we gonna wish you is you will find the love of your life, but
Or
on
maybe you
online
won't.
dating- hold the fuck up. You will find the love of your life, maybe in a creature, maybe in a human, maybe in your, in your friends. But please, I humbly request you, don't go on dating apps and get fucked by random people. Like that is worse.
You
Like,
can
if you-
us.
Guys, let
If
me
you
complete.
want fuck, please go ahead.
That
But
मैंने
if
तो
you
क्यों
don't-
बोला that you want? Or maybe you will find, मतलब you will find yourself again, and you will love yourself again. You will love to be with yourself, and you will enjoy your company more than anyone else.
What I would like to say is, if you feel lonely, what I have done myself, I always go for my friends, go out with them, talk to them. If you don't have friends, make friends. Like that is how you deal with everything. You feel lonely, go around and make friends. Don't get fucked by strangers.
Yes.
They are not gonna, get rid of your loneliness and whatever you feel. Like get some friends you can talk to. You can be emotionally, the people are available for you. Like the people on the online dating app, I don't think they are available for you emotionally, only sexually. And that also, I don't want to say anything.
But guys,
Let's just skip till here.
yeah.
I would rather skip about that, and then
Guys.
we'll talk about it more in the next video. Thank you guys, stay tuned, bye.
Take
You
care,
can
guys.
suggest.
Love
If
you, baby.
you want something,
Bye.
you can suggest us.
Yeah,
What we
sure,
can make
please.
next.
Yes, we love you guys. Bye and take care.